Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous lecture, we discussed what sociology is and how it differs from common sense understanding. In today's lecture, we will discuss sociology as a science, the meaning of social phenomena, and why social phenomena must be studied scientifically. Let us begin. Sociology as a science. To understand sociology as a science, we must first understand what science means. Science is a systematic, objective, and logical study of reality. It is not based on assumptions, emotions, or personal opinions. Sociology is considered a science because it studies society in a planned and organized manner. For example, instead of saying, "Crime happens because people are naturally bad," a sociologist studies social factors such as family environment, peer influence, education system, unemployment, urbanization. This shows how sociology goes beyond common sense explanations. Scientific methods in sociology. Sociology uses various scientific methods to study society, such as observation, surveys, interviews, case studies, statistical analyses. These methods help sociologists collect empirical and verifiable data. Although sociology studies human behavior, sociologists try to remain as objective and neutral as possible. Sociology, natural science or social science. Sociology is not a natural science like physics or chemistry. Natural sciences study physical objects, whereas sociology studies human beings, who have consciousness, emotions, and free will. Therefore, sociology is classified as a social science. Auguste Comte called sociology social physics, believing society could be studied scientifically. Later, Max Weber emphasized the importance of understanding the meaning of social action. Meaning of social phenomena. Social phenomena refer to patterns of behavior, institutions, and practices that exist outside the individual, are collective in nature, influence individual behavior. According to Emile Durkheim, social facts are ways of acting, thinking, and feeling, external to the individual, and endowed with a power of coercion. Examples of social phenomena include family, marriage, religion, language, education, law. These social phenomena exist before an individual is born and continue even after the individual dies. Characteristics of social phenomena. Social phenomena have three main characteristics. Externality. They exist independently of individuals. For example, language already exists before we learn to speak. Constraint. They exert pressure on individuals. If social norms are violated, society responds through criticism or punishment. Generality. They are widespread and shared by members of society. Why study social phenomena scientifically? Studying social phenomena scientifically helps us understand social problems like crime, inequality, and deviance. Avoid myths and stereotypes. Formulate effective social policies. Understand patterns of social change. Scientific study provides a deeper and more accurate understanding of society. Conclusion. To conclude, sociology is a scientific study of society, and social phenomena form the foundation of social life. By studying social phenomena scientifically, sociology helps us understand society, as well as our own position within it. In the next lecture, we will discuss sociology and common sense. If this lecture was useful, do like the video. For more sociology lectures, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.